ONEDON tapes, alleged gangsters heard plotting daring murder. An alleged gangster in the Klansman gang trial was this morning heard on tape detailing how he plotted a daring murder at the courthouse in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The conversations among the alleged gangsters were secretly recorded by a self-confessed former gang member, now state star witness. The conversations heard in court today were among alleged gang leader Andre Blackman Bryan, City Puss, an alleged gangster called Crux, and the witness. In one of the conversations, a daring City Puss explained how he attempted to murder a man in front of the courthouse in Spanish Town.
I put more be there and be call and say Bones I get bail in the morning. Man turn up at the back of the courthouse and watch them a drive with Bones, cause my friend murder him I get bail for. Half a day me turn up there, and the clerk get up in a spirit and tell them say gunman out there for kill him. That time Adams have 100 blood car back of him. And B say go all road cause Adams here what go on. Me say elder, a Bones this you know. Alright now, this a 18 me a empty it in him before me move. So you get him?
Also in the recordings today, the alleged gangsters are heard exploring new sources of income as the gang was faced with the issue of disloyal members and a decline in their extortion activities. The alleged gang leader was behind bars at the time.
Where you there, man? Me know you frass out, man. Me I tell you, dog, you don't know a better days, you see me? A better days, man. True. Cause them just a right, them not no witness, you see me? Me need to come out the dog. You need to the road and make the thing happy again. You not chat to the with the wholesale yet. True, me never have no number for him. We have to live up and build up the thing. Them boy they forget touch, man. Them all they out there sign peace deal. Come in like we need for load off some coke thing, you know. Cause I eat the dog them deal with.
The witness explained that Crooks was suggesting the alleged gangsters start dealing in cocaine as other criminals from Denham Town were reportedly doing.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yo, me I go right in at this. Yo, me forgot, somebody did label them youth, yeah? The king of broke badness. ONEDON gang is the king of broke badness and stupid badness, yo. Now, when you hear the boy City Puss say him stand up behind a courthouse and dead a wait pan a youth all day, guy want empty out the 18 thing in him. Then, in the conversation, and I wanted to point this out specifically, in the conversation, him say, yo, we are going to start go deal with some coke thing, because that the man them a Denham Town a do. So, right away, you realize, say, them nah make no money. Like me say, then, he might tell black man, say, listen, you soon come a road, man. As some of the most dumbest motherfucker them start. Oh, yeah, man, you soon come a road, dog. Everything would make you come back, make the thing nice. No, black man are the leader, you know. And it seems like him don't know what to do. All him like to do, him like to kill people. And City Puss, him is like the bees in your ears. The mosquito in your ears. It is like, I guess, black man conscience. And then Mama, she I don't want to really run that gang there. Yeah, I tell her no. But anyways, in the thing now, you hear my talk about, yeah man, you link the man of the wholesale, Number one, them pussy don't know how to do extortion. Cause what them do, them kill off the man them we are give them the money. You can't kill the people them we are give you the money. I say me they are gonna do a video on extortion, you know. But people are tell me say no, countryman, don't do it, cause you are gonna teach them boy how to do things. So me I itch to do it, but cause what them do, them kill off the people them where them a collect money for. Them threaten them do all sort of things. The people them in the neighborhood where all build up them house, them yo, them deal with it in a really scattered, convoluted, barbaric way. And for that, them boy are gonna stay at prison. One more time, me I say, me love how the Jamaican police deal with this. The man them never go in there and shoot them up with nothing. The man them just go so boom, gather information, intelligence from them fool, yeah. And this is a milestone because it really show how broke these guys are and how crazy they are with creating all this chaos. And like me say, you hear them a talk about, yeah man, call me so you call me so throw the CHANNEL or whatever, and this, that, and City Pussy say, yeah man, me a throw me now have them number. Yo be, this is one of the most craziest shit me ever see. We should do a movie upon that boy. Yeah. Anyways, my name is Countryman. If you like what I'm doing, click on another video. You understand? And let me send a shout out to Country Girl, Country Boss, Nuclear, Silent, Truck Boss. You know me I talk. Big up yourself. And Trini Boss, Countryman. Peace. I'm out. Broke, King of Broke Badness. ONEDON.